This is one more recipe for the Olympic theme series. I call these Olympic cookies. 6 ingredients, just like the colors in the Olympic flag, the white and the 5 rings. This features 5 flavors: grape jelly, Nutella, strawberry, pineapple and apricot, and honey with pumpkin seeds. So you're going to need 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of vegetable oil, whatever you have. Next, 4 eggs, approximately 16 quail eggs, if that's what you have. Secret ingredient, almond extract. 1 teaspoon is going in next. Carefully measure. If a little more goes in, that's okay. It'll taste good. Now you can use vanilla if you'd rather. Next, you're going to need some baking powder. 3. Okay. We're just waiting for the eggs. I just had a thought. Maybe I should put in my playlists some of my baking, like the music that I listen to. I mean, if you like that idea, I can formulate a music playlist. So maybe when you're baking and doing stuff like this, you can play it up as you go. All right, the eggs are ready. Ooh, this is so exciting. This really works fast. On low. And I've remembered to put the little flap guard thing on the top. Now we haven't added the flour yet, but that's really a good thing to remember. Just saying. All-purpose flour, or a flour that is fresh, sifted. We're going to need approximately 4.5 cups flour. There's something extremely satisfying about sifting flour. I don't know what it is. It's just so relaxing. I just have 1/2 cup more to sift, and then we're gradually going to add that to our beautiful little mixer next. Let's keep adding. Let's keep going. And then using a clean platter for the surface, I'm going to take the dough out, and then I'm going to form it into a nice little shape, to which I'm going to cut the little cookie pieces out. There, see how nice that came out of the mixer? And I like to use my little potato masher and put little prints on it. Before you press it, it won't stick. Not too much. There. All right, just do this with the entire dough. You'll make 2 trays worth. Okay, there's half before I put the jam toppings on them. See how the potato masher makes them look like little runners? So this is the beginning of how we're calling them and why we're calling them runner-ups. As runner-ups, we've got the 5 colors. We are going to now apply the 5 flavors. Okay, so the blue, I'm using grape Concord jelly. Just a small little bit, like 1 teaspoon, maybe even less. These are just going to bake with the cookie on 450 degrees Fahrenheit in a minute. And then these are going to bake for approximately 11 to 14 minutes until they are golden brown. Beautiful. Okay, just like that. So Concord jam, strawberry jam, Nutella, apricot pineapple, honey and pumpkin seed. These are going into the oven. When they come out, we can dust them with a little bit of powdered sugar and serve them up. So if you're making these, just a tip, if you make them as even as possible, they'll bake more uniformly as well. This is one more recipe for the Olympic theme series. Olympic cookies. Let me know in the comments which flavor you might try. This is a variation of Hamantaschen. If you want to explore that recipe, I'll put a little extra link in the description below. Powdered sugar on top. Really, this is good. Until next time, do take care and au revoir. I'll see you in the next video. I really like the apricot.